What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful though, you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, and as you can see by the title, I'll be doing this lingerie haul for this company called PPZ. So this company reached out to me and I was told to pick out a few items that I see and like. It's not much, just a couple items, so let's get right into the video. So the first one that we have is this cute little bra. So all the information for these items and this website is gonna be down in the description box, because listen, they really do have some good quality things on there. They really do. The first item we have is this pink and gray bra, and it has little rhinestones on it. So cute. And what I love about this is a close-up. It's lined with PPZ on the strap, and the material is so soft. It's breathable material. It's very comfy. As you can see, the rhinestones, well, me I gonna call them rhinestones. They look like rhinestone. The little pattern on the bra. What I like about this bra is it has a lot of padding and the material is breathable. It also has great push-up and the straps are really cute, plus the pattern, very nice, and the color is just beautiful, and it's a matching set. It comes with the underwear. Talk truth. Talk the truth. Get your size. You know your size. We're not all the same sizes out here, boo. So when goodie come out, let's be serious. This also has the rhinestones on the front, and also the lining has the PPZ logo. It goes all around the front and back, as you can see. Very cute. It's a set. Get your size, sis. Get your size. Next, we have, this one looks lacy. Ooh, I should have showed you guys this one first. Yo, that one is sell off. Listen, that one here, sell off. It's sell off. People still use the word sell off at Jamaica. Due to all, I left Jamaica too long, almost 10 years. I still use certain words when we used to use when we were at Jamaica, like sell off. But let's talk, sis. Let's talk. How cute is this? The bra has a lot of paddings. It's very lacy, as you can see. Oh, the details. All right, I gotta show y'all the details. Look at the front. Do y'all see that? Love it. I love the pattern. It's all flowers with the little rhinestones, and how cute are these little bows right here. And I love the fact that the back has 6 hooks. I've never had a bra with 6 hooks, so this is amazing. The push-up is real. Sparkly, so sparkly. If the brassiere looks so good, can you imagine the panty? I love this. I love this material. I love the feeling, the padding, and I love the design. Sis, please go check out their website. They have so many cute styles. It's gonna be so hard for you to choose. Just go check out their website. This is gonna be one of my new favorite. All right, but this is the panty. Let's see the panties. My foreign people don't say panties. T in the United, panties. The T silent. Alright, the T gonna take a walk. Alright. That's how the panty did look. So I think it's a string too. This big. Wait, our size this? Cause this big. John. I mean, I'm my size, but it look big. But trust me, when I put it on, it fit. Cause you know yeah, so it's gonna fit. Anyways, the panty is soft and silky, lacy, no sparkle, only on the bra. These material, I can vouch for that. It's thick and secure because I know a good bra and underwear when I see one. So like I said, I'm gonna leave all information down below. So friends, go check out their website. Trust me, you won't regret it because they have a lot of cute styles that you can choose from. If you guys want to find these specific items, I'm gonna leave the name of each item down below as well. It's not a lot, it's just a few items, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like this video, share please, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell to be notified when I post videos, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.